With this example, we continue using a Venn diagram to answer these problems. So this example says, suppose a recent poll at your school showed that 39% of students like gospel music, 47% like country music, and 29% like both types of music. So using a Venn diagram, determine, and we have these two questions here. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to make our Venn diagram. And again, a Venn diagram is created with these circles that represent the particular events. So here's one particular event, 39% of students like gospel. So I'm going to go ahead and make a circle here. And I'm going to label this one G for gospel. Then I'm going to make another circle here for the country music, 47% like country music. So here's my circle for country. And if you make circles half as good as these, you're doing okay. And I'll label this as C for country. 29% like both types, and of course, that occurs right here. So when we fill out the probabilities of these events occurring, it's best to start right in the center here where the two overlap. That's our and. So I'm just going to put in 29% here. So then I can fill in the rest here, and as you can see, if I fill in the gospel, 29% is already accounted for of the 39%. So the 10% is going to go out here. And you can see how that looks. Same way for the country. 29% is already accounted for of the 47%. So I'm just going to put in 18% out here. Now this is only part of the sample space. The rest of the sample space we then close off in this rectangle. And of course, everything has to be accounted for in the sample space. So then the probabilities have to come out to be 100% or 1. So I just make this equal to 1. We can label this as S as the sample space. So this does not tally up to 1. As a matter of fact, that's 10% plus 29% plus 18%. That comes out to be 57%. And that answers letter A, the probability that a randomly selected student at your school likes gospel or country music, 57%. So if this is 57%, then out here are those who don't like any of this. That's 43%. So then the probability that a randomly selected student at your school likes neither type of music, 43%. And as you can see, the 43% and the 57% are complements of each other. Now this certainly could have been answered using the general addition rule, which is fine. But it's also nice to have a Venn diagram because a Venn diagram gives us a nice visual of what the arithmetic is. And there you go.